Hello and welcome to another update video about the Solana chart. So I think we should actually start on the larger time frame for Solana. What we can see here is that the price has started this rally to the upside from the April low, and it is considered, potentially the wave 5 in the yellow scenario, of a larger degree wave 1. That would of course be the bullish perspective. That's wave 5 of 1 in yellow. Or in the white scenario, it is a B wave rally. That could be an ABC structure, for example, because the move to the upside from the low appears to be currently a 5-wave move. So it would be something like that. It would either be a 5-wave move in A or a 5-wave move in yellow 1. The next pullback will tell us the truth. So, I mean, let's say the next pullback, if it's corrective, it could allow for higher prices either in the wave C of B or the third wave in yellow. Overall, due to the 5-wave move up from the low, the focus would be on higher prices. As you know, that's the current idea. Now, we're still pushing higher. The next resistance is at $167.50. Solana has now entered here this resistance area we've been watching for the last few weeks. And at the moment, we don't know if it's the white or the yellow scenario. But as I said, my own preference is that it's the yellow one, that the price should still reach the $360 area. That's very much in line with Bitcoin's perspective of, my perspective that Bitcoin could get to around about 130K or so. So that hasn't changed, right? Perspective is still for higher prices. And there is currently no sign that the wave 2 or B wave pullback that they have actually started. I'd say we now take a look at the shorter time frame. Here, the price has now reached the $152.80 level. That's the next upside target I shared yesterday with you in yesterday's update. Yesterday in the video, people asked me where did that actually come from. It wasn't there before that level. It was defined in our member live stream yesterday, so where I demonstrated how to calculate targets for a 5th wave. That's why it was in the chart. So if you're interested in checking those out, the recordings are always available. But yeah, that's where that came from. So just wanted to explain that again. The 61.8 extension of the waves 1 to 3, that's an ideal target for a 5th wave. It is not the maximum, okay? It's not like that it's the maximum or anything. It can still stretch higher. The main takeaway here is that the move up from the April low appears to be a 5-wave move up. Yeah, it appears to be a 5-wave move up. So if a pullback happens now, it would be considered the blue wave 2 or the yellow B wave. And then afterwards, we can still watch for higher prices. If the price holds a higher low at $105.50. So that is what I'm tracking at the moment. $105.50 is the 78.6 retracement. As I said, that must hold to keep the bullish expectations alive on this chart. But the support area will have to be adjusted together with the price. So as we go higher still, and I already shared with you what the next target, or let's say resistance level is, right? 167.50. So as we go higher, that support area here will have to be adjusted with the price. So climbing higher, support area will have to be adjusted. For example, if we get to the next FIB level there, support will be between $107.50 and $134.85. I would say there's a good chance Solana goes higher. Yesterday I also shared the Solana BTC chart in our members area. That also supports the idea Solana could actually outperform Bitcoin a little bit, at least based on the current data I'm seeing right now. So that means Solana, positive outlook on the USD chart at the moment and on the BTC chart. However, the condition is that we're holding above the $105.50 level. That's the update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.